Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Notion to implement the Pomodoro technique in 2025. First up, open Notion and create a new page. This will be our dedicated space for Pomodoro sessions. Why do we do this? Well, having a dedicated space helps in keeping track of your sessions and maintaining focus. Next, let's create a database within this page. Click on the Database button and select Table. This will help us structure our Pomodoro sessions. The reason we use a table is because it provides an easy-to-view layout of all our tasks and their respective timers. Now let's customize our table. We need 3 columns: Task, Pomodoro Timer, and Status. Task is for the work you'll be doing. Pomodoro Timer will be set to 25 minutes as per the Pomodoro technique, and Status will help you track your progress. This helps us because it organizes our work and helps us understand what's pending and what's completed. Now that we've done that, let's add a template for our Pomodoro sessions. Click on the arrow next to the New button and select New Template. Here, you can design a template that suits your needs and style. You might wonder why we need a template. Well, it saves time and maintains consistency across all your sessions. Finally, once you've set up your template, you can start adding your tasks. Click on New, select your template, and start filling in your task and status. The reason we do this is to queue up our work for the Pomodoro sessions and keep track of our productivity. And voila, you've now set up your Pomodoro technique using Notion. Remember, the key to this technique is sticking with the process and focusing on one task at a time. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.